So today we have come to Bamboo Restaurant in HRBR layout. So you'll see how the taste it is, and I'll let you know how the rating it is. The whole family we have come. So here I came to know that a few special items are like bamboo chicken and is the special thing here. And exotic dessert and different types of things I'm gonna try here. Here it's something says Kizzy biryani. That also I will try and let you know. And few starters. I cannot taste all the food items, but I'll see how much I can taste, and I'll let you know.
But it's a totally different biryani we have. So we have two types of biryani, bamboo biryani and kizzy biryani. So bamboo biryani steamed inside the bamboo, where you basmati rice in that. One bamboo biryani enough for 2 or 3 people can eat. Okay, sir.
Without basmati rice also available.
Yeah, there's a difference. So it will be very less spicy, less masala.
Which one, bamboo?
Yeah, all the biryani.
Okay.
It's not like Hyderabadi or Bangalore biryani.
Okay.
Okay, and 2 or 3 people can eat that much of quantity. Bamboo biryani.
Okay.
So one more biryani is there, it's called kizzy biryani.
Okay.
That steam wrapped in banana leaf. We are in jeera sambar rice in that.
Okay.
That portion is a single portion. For
In
one.
veg
Yeah, veg also is there.
Veg also same.
So kizzy biryani for single portion.
Okay.
Okay. Jeera sambar is very big. And bamboo for 2 or 3 people can eat.
Okay.
So both the biryani less spicy, less masala. Only
Okay.
prawns and fish in that will make it spicy.
Okay.
We have all the starters available, including seafood, prawns, crab, squid, fish, chicken, mutton. If you want, you can check the comment.
Okay. What is the must try here? Must try dishes.
Prawns, ghee roast,
Okay.
mutton chops,
Okay.
tandoori alfam is good, and 2 more starters we have not in the menu. One is dil kuch kebab, one more is herbal chicken,
Okay.
and crab.
Oh, so crab and you.
Yeah,
Okay.
Prawns, ghee roast,
Okay.
and mutton chops, ribs one,
Okay.
and some chicken item is available, Chinese famous one, drums of oven, crispy chicken, and tiger beef.
Okay. Right. Give us 2 minutes, we'll order. Thank you. So I ordered 2 types of fish, 2 types of prawns, and 2 types of chicken, 1 mutton, and egg, and 2 types of veg. So almost I think 25% of menu I have ordered. And let me see how it comes and how it goes into my stomach. Hopefully I can complete all those things. Other than that, I need to try the biryani flavors also and some desserts also. This Sunday gonna FT on my stomach. You'll see. Coming to ambience, it's really cool actually. But I would say if we come in night, it will be looking very nice. This lighting and this side, the little bit of greenery kind of thing from the window, and as per the theme, they have kept all the bamboos here and there. So it justifies the theme actually. So all the bamboo sticks over, and all the roof also it's with the ropes, and you can see the lightings over there. It's a nice good lightings, and people are almost all taking selfies here. So selfie mad people. Even I am with the media mad. This is the main counter here, and this is the entrance. The people are coming. I came around 12:30, so it's a very less crowded as of now, even though it is Sunday and post COVID. For the Zomato ratings, what I have seen that like from the 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, around from 1:30 to 3, it's very much crowded. But so I thought of a better come by 12:30, so I can have my lunch very smoothly. And even after ordering, they said that it will almost take 20 to 30 minutes. It's almost 5 minutes I ordered, and we'll see how much time it will take to come on the table. Now tell me the taste. This is a veg hot and sour soup. How is it? Super, eh? Hot and sour. So this is chicken hot and sour soup. So how is it? Good. Spicy? Not spicy. Medium spicy, but tasty. How is it, veg? Super. You liked it? So now it's a public opinion. How is the chicken soup?
Hot and spicy, nice.
Nice. Veg. These are the veg people's.
Chicken also there. I cannot find it.
Very nice. So this is mutton chopstick. And this is chicken alfam. It's special here. And there it goes a paneer tikka. So now she is trying chicken alfam. Chicken alfam. What? How is it? Nice, spicy. Little bit kalmi kebab taste. Now I am trying this chicken chopstick. Sorry, it's a mutton chopstick. Yeah, mutton chopstick. So let me handle it. Smooth, very soft, tasty, very nice. How is paneer?
Not in tasted.
Not yet tasted. Good. Tinku, how is mutton?
Soft and juicy. It's nice.
Soft. Soft and juicy is saying. Heaven is very nice. How is chicken heaven? Heaven is really very nice.
Very
So
super.
soft.
Your excitement. Very super. Very tasty.
I am not able to take the video properly while eating. I am not having a good habit of taking the vlog actually. And this is the fish. What is this? Fish tikka. Not much bones.
See the-
Here it is egg manchuria. There is a little bit different. Kebab, something like kalmi kebab. Pepper egg. Egg pepper.
Yeah.
Egg pepper, not egg manchurian. Very nice, but so. Not it's like it's a wow factor. How is this fish in banana leaf?
Okay. For people who like bland fish, they can accept it.
It's a more kind of a authentic Kerala and coconut oil more.
I didn't like it because it was too bland, but people who don't like spice, they can eat it.
Okay. So what I had a feeling of this banana leaf fish. It's like more kind of authentic Kerala with more coconut oil. So whoever likes fish with coconut oil, they can taste it. But as we don't like much coconut oil, so it's kind of a so-so kind of a thing for us. As I said, from 1:30, 1 o'clock, it will be full crowded. Now you can see it's people are waiting. People are waiting here back of me, and all the tables are occupied. So I didn't bring my this one, what we say, selfie stick. So I am not able to handle it properly, but somehow I am trying to make it. Some people are waiting here, still waiting. I myself have occupied this table for last 30 minutes, having lots of dishes. So here comes our bamboo veg biryani. So here it is a bamboo veg biryani. So we had a lot of starts chicken, so we thought of to try veg. How is it? Okay, kind of. Not that much masala, as he told. He already told it won't be much masala kind of a thing. Now let me taste how it goes. Vijay, right at the first. Cheers. Okay, kind of. I don't know how chicken biryani would be.
Rice
Not,
and the ఉన్నట్లుంది రైట్
That much spicy kind of. How is it, buddy? Nice, eh? Nice.
Very nice. It's very nice. Super. It's very tasty.
There in dessert, it's a bamboo delight, a bamboo special. How is it, guys?
Super.
Nice.
Super nice. Very nice.
Huh?
Very fantastic.
Very fantastic. Oh. Yes. And what is that?
Irani.
Irani special milkshake.
తాగుతావా
Amma, how is it? Irani shake.
బాగుంది
It's nice. And this is what we say it is a gadbad. Name itself is making me. This is gadbad. Okay. I am passing it on the people who likes gadbads.
నచ్చలేదా మోను అది
People there having gadbad. Is it really gadbad?
In right way, it's nice.
Huh?
In right way, it is nice.
Lightweight.
Right way, it is nice.
Right way it's nice. Sanjeev,
Good, taste it.
tasty.
శ్రీరామ్ వాడు అసలు ఏం చెప్పలేదు
People like actually people like the Irani shake much more. So it's another mug is coming on the table, and this is my fresh lime. It's too limey kind of. Less salt is there.
ఏం పడుతుంది
People are fighting. Fighting people. So at last this is our bill. So it's coming total 4933. We can make it 5,000 pounds. So you can see price list also, whatever we ordered and what are the price list.
ఇదా
So we could have what we felt like we could have avoided fish dishes which are so. So rest of all is pretty much fine to have. So people all. So how did you like it, everyone? At the last review, star ratings out of 5, 4. 4. 4. 4.
I give 4.5.
4.5.
దీస్
Wow.
పీపుల్
You guys out of 5.
10.6
Huh?
10.6
Okay. Out of 5.
4.7
4.7. Wow. So that is the review. So almost on an average it's a 4.5 review. So what you can say is we can come in, we can spend one lunch or a dinner. It's pretty good and people can do come. If you like my video, just like, share and comment. That's what I can say here. Thanks all. Bye bye.